all, you want to position it so that you have space to get either tools, or I find that my fat little fingers were actually more effective. And the glass just pops out quite easily. So there you see the two spade connectors for the heating element. So you disconnect those. So this is the old glass element, and you can see where it's completely fried, and here's the new one. Simply connect the wires again. And clip it back in place. Then you just need to move the mirror all around on all axes, just to make sure that it's clipped in properly.